Meet Ed. He works in the special effects industry, making 3D graphics of futuristic cityscapes, which was just what his friend Jeanne needed. She works for the Seattle City Long Range Planning Department as an urban designer, and she's told Ed all about her frustrations with trying to explain urban planning solutions to ill-informed politicians and voters who think the city wants to waste their money. Jeanne brought Ed in, figuring that if he could immerse people in an experience of the future with and without her solutions, it could make a big difference. Luckily, the city had a great new tool for Ed to use to make that happen: Urban Evolution Visualizer. When Jeanne threw Ed in the deep end, working on the city's biggest future challenge, global warming, UEV was up to the task, providing an easy way to simulate how rising seas would affect the city. Jeanne and Ed could step inside the simulation in VR, looking for places where Ed could build the most impactful demonstrations of Jeanne's design solutions. They talked over what would happen to the buildings and where the raised sidewalks and drawbridges should go. Then Ed got to work. UEV gave him familiar 3D graphics editing tools to realize Jeanne's vision. After discussing with her and making some tweaks, they were ready to take their show on the road. They brought city council members to their favorite location and used mixed reality headsets to show them the problem, then the solution. They could even watch a little animation Ed had made of how the system would work with pedestrians and amphibious cars. The city quickly agreed to put out a ballot measure for long-range funding, which was when Ed and Jeanne took their show to voters, inviting them to experience the future on their phones, computers, and VR headsets. The measure passed, and Seattle is well on its way to implementing a solid climate adaptation plan thanks to Urban Evolution Visualizer.